What's the difference between this and this? Well, one is in a box. Huge shout out to Mophie and Zag for sending this my way. This is not a sponsored post, but you know who you are. Thank you. I've been looking for this. So about a year ago, again, Mophie Zag sent me this travel case for my charging units. This is a really handy thing to have, especially if you are traveling overnight and you don't want to have to carry multiple chargers for your watch, your phone, your AirPods. It's so many things that you have to have battery chargers for, but this really simplifies all of it. And in this simple little case here, you have this fold-out mechanism which allows you to wirelessly charge your phone and AirPods with wireless charging cases. That's pretty much about it. I mean, I guess technically, because these are Qi chargers, you could charge an Android device, if you will. But that's it. Like, if I wanted to charge my watch, there was no way for me to do it. I had to bring the actual official watch cable to charge my watch through this additional USB port. It wasn't a big deal. It's kind of nice to have as well too. But Mophie has come back with the second iteration of this travel charger, and boy, I've been waiting for this. We've got this really nice travel case. You can throw it in your bag, throw it in your luggage, which is the same thing. And then inside, you have these little compartments. So you've got your USB Type-C cable that's included. You have your wall brick, which always handy to have. And it has a nice little spot for it. And then of course, this. This has a really nice new kind of look to it. I just think, I mean, compared to the older one, which was this matte kind of black finish, it was fine. But as you can see here, there's kind of getting a little scuff marks every area here, little scratches and whatnot. Not a big deal. It's not a big deal. But to have this kind of finish, I don't know what you would call it necessarily, but it's quite unique looking, I think. In here, you can charge your AirPods wirelessly with that special casing, charge your phone in the middle, and then this. This is what I've been looking for. Ooh, it even has a peel-off sticker thing. Let's do that. Now, all I have to do is place my watch right there, place my phone right here, and then if I ever get AirPods, which I probably won't, but if I ever did, I can place it right here. Or, like I said, Qi charging, I can put my wife's Android phone right on top of that and it'll charge it. And for whatever reason, if the watch charger isn't charging the watch, like it doesn't have a solid connection, it can actually hinge up just like that, place it sideways, and voila, you can now completely charge all of your devices. And quite frankly, in a nutshell, that's pretty much all this does. This is a really handy wireless travel charger for all of your devices, whether it's Apple or Android. I mean, primarily it's an Apple thing, we'll get there, but it does support some Android or I guess just your run-of-the-mill Qi charging devices that require it. So as far as this goes, compared to its predecessor, I am very, very happy with how it all panned out. So if you have any other questions about this is the Mophie 3-in-1 travel charger. Let us know in the comment section down below. Links, as always, can be found in the description below. Not only are we found on this channel, but I also stream live on Twitch and sometimes TikTok. And if you want to follow me over on Instagram as well too, or join the Discord, all links are in the description. So until the next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Later. Hi.